Hey everyone! Ever watched a video that starts off crystal clear, but gradually turns blurry or jumpy? That's a massive challenge in AI video generation, keeping long-form content smooth and consistent. Today, we're diving into a groundbreaking solution called FreeLong++, that's redefining how AI handles extended video sequences. Let's break it down. Modern AI video models are like digital magicians. They can transform a text prompt into a 5-second clip of a cat chasing a butterfly. But here's the catch. When you ask for a 5-minute story, things get tricky. The AI's vision starts to blur and the video feels off. It's like a movie where characters suddenly change personalities. So what's the root of the problem? These models rely on attention mechanisms, digital spotlights that help the AI focus on key details. But when videos get long, those spotlights struggle. High-frequency details, like the texture of a cat's fur or the flicker of a flame, start to vanish. It's like trying to read a book in the dark. The big picture stays clear, but the tiny letters fade. That's where FreeLong++ steps in. This isn't just an upgrade. It's a complete reimagining of how AI processes long videos. Researchers from Zhejiang University tackled the issue by splitting video data into two distinct worlds. Low-frequency details, the big picture, like overall scenes, and high-frequency details, tiny textures, like a cat's whiskers. Imagine you're painting a landscape. The low-frequency part is the broad strokes of the sky, while the high-frequency part is the tiny leaves on the trees. FreeLong++ uses a technique called SpectralBlend to merge these two worlds. It's like tuning a radio to different stations. Low frequencies for stability, high frequencies for sharpness. But here's the real innovation. FreeLong++ doesn't just split the work. It adds multi-scale attention branches. Think of them as different-sized spotlights. One focuses on quick motions, like a flickering flame. Another on long-term patterns, like a character walking across a scene. And even smaller ones for superfine textures. It's like giving the AI a multi-layered lens to see both the forest and the trees. And the proof is in the pudding. When tested, FreeLong++ outperformed older methods by a mile. Longer videos stayed sharp, transitions were smoother, and even complex prompts, like a dancer in a neon-lit club, came to life without glitches. Best of all, it works with existing AI models without needing extra training. No reboots, no resets, just plug and play. This isn't just a technical win, it's a gateway to new creative possibilities. Imagine generating feature-length films from text, or crafting interactive stories where every scene flows seamlessly. The future of AI video isn't just about making videos longer, it's about making them better. But FreeLong++ is just one piece of a larger puzzle. Let's explore how researchers are solving other critical challenges in AI video generation. Here's the problem. Early AI videos were like a shaky camera in a storm. Objects would flicker, scenes would jump, and it all felt off. But researchers are fixing this with tools like Pyramidal Flow Matching, a kind of GPS for video. It maps out how objects move across frames, so your AI-generated cat doesn't suddenly turn into a dog mid-scratch. Think of it as giving the AI a roadmap to keep everything smooth, frame by frame. But even the best GPS needs a good map. That's where massive datasets like InternVid and Hoigen-1m come in. These aren't just random videos. They're thousands of hours of real-world motion, lighting, and storytelling. It's like teaching a kid to draw by showing them every Pixar film ever made. The AI learns not just what to draw, but how things move, change, and connect. Now here's the twist. What if AI could make videos without retraining? Enter FIFO-Diffusion and Longdiff, methods that generate endless clips in one go. Imagine a scriptwriter handing AI a story outline and letting it improvise without losing the plot. These tools don't just copy the past, they create new, coherent sequences on the fly. It's like giving a jazz musician a set of rules and letting them riff forever. But why does this matter? These advances aren't just for TikTok filters. Picture a filmmaker sketching a scene in minutes, or a scientist simulating a weather system in real time. Even better, tools like FreeBloom let you edit videos with simple text, make the sunset brighter, or add a dog to the park. And with techniques like sparse attention, AI focuses on the important stuff, like a director zooming in on the action instead of every background detail. Of course, this tech raises questions. How do we keep AI creative, not just repetitive? Who decides what's real in a generated world? But one thing's clear. We're moving beyond static images and into a future where video is a living, evolving tool. So next time you watch a video, think about the invisible code behind it. This isn't just AI mimicking life, it's learning to create it. And the best part? We're only just getting started. Stay curious and let's keep exploring what's next.